A yellow taxi arrives. A family, eagerly stepping out onto the bustling sidewalk of Times Square. Towering skyscrapers surround them, a concrete jungle of dreams and ambitions. The father exclaims, "This is incredible. Let's make some memories," the mother says, her voice full of excitement. The wind whispers around them, carrying distant sounds of the bustling metropolis. Daughter's eyes widen, filled with pure, unadulterated joy. "We can see everything." Father points out landmarks, his voice filled with pride. "That's Central Park, and over there is the Statue of Liberty." A family rents bikes, sunlight dappling through the trees. The son wobbles, face tight with concentration, struggling to keep his balance. "I got it! I got it!" he shouts, triumph ringing in his voice as he finds his balance. The daughter races ahead, her laughter echoing through the park. Father and mother cycle side by side, relaxed, soaking in the scenery. Confidence blooms on the son's face as he cycles effortlessly. At Bethesda Terrace, sunlight dances on the water as the family pauses, drawn by the soulful music. A street musician's melody fills the air, weaving through the grand architecture. "This is so peaceful," mother says, her voice soft in the tranquil setting. Sunlight glints off coins as the children toss them into the fountain, their silent wishes swirling in the water. Joyful laughter echoes around Bethesda Terrace, creating a vibrant scene. Playful shadows dance on the brick facades. A classic New York scene unfolds. The daughter's eyes light up with excitement. "Let's go in there." The father pauses, his gaze lingering on the architecture. This place has character. Each building stands as a silent testament to the history etched in its walls. Chocolate smears the son's face as he devours a towering cone, a picture of pure, unadulterated joy. His sister delicately savors her strawberry ice cream, pink drips poised to tumble onto her dress. The son exclaims, chocolate smeared across his face, "Best ice cream ever!" Mother and father share a vanilla milkshake, a comfortable silence weaving between their smiles. 2 straws disappear into the creamy white swirl, a silent testament to their shared contentment. A ferry cuts through the waves, carrying a family towards the iconic Statue of Liberty. The father's voice is filled with reverence, a symbol of freedom. The family stands silhouetted against the radiant light, united in a shared moment of wonder. Full of youthful exuberance, the son playfully mimics the statue's pose, his arm raised high in mock salute. Laughter dances in the air as his joyful antics bring smiles to the faces of his adoring parents. The mother, her eyes filled with love, carefully frames the shot on her phone, capturing the moment. She preserves the joyous scene, a fleeting moment transformed into a cherished memory. Mother's eyes widen, filled with awe as she beholds the majestic skyline. "The view is breathtaking," mother exclaims, her voice filled with wonder. Son points excitedly towards the water. "Look, a sailboat!" The family gathers in Dumbo Park, the Manhattan Bridge, a majestic backdrop to their day. Their daughter, radiating playful energy, strikes a pose with the confidence of a seasoned model. The father meticulously adjusts the camera, eager to capture the perfect shot. He aims to freeze this unforgettable moment against the iconic skyline. Sunlight floods the gallery, illuminating the modern art and the family as they wander through the stark white space. The daughter pauses, tilting her head, captivated by a vibrant, abstract painting. Father stands before a placard, his expression thoughtful as he reads about the artist's life. The gallery is filled with silent contemplation as they absorb the art around them. Fifth Avenue bustles with life as a family enjoys a leisurely stroll, their reflections dancing in the luxurious storefronts. The mother pauses, her gaze drawn to a designer handbag showcased like a jewel. A glint of desire sparks in her eyes as she considers a treat for herself. "Maybe a souvenir for myself." The handbag gleams, a symbol of luxury and a fleeting moment of longing on a bright day. Inside Saks, a family explores souvenirs, their laughter echoing through the aisles. The young son is captivated, carefully inspecting keychains, each a tiny piece of the city. His sister selects a miniature Statue of Liberty, a symbol of dreams held in her small hands. The mother's eyes light up as she discovers a stylish scarf. She holds the scarf up, its colors dancing in the light, a touch of elegance found amidst the hustle. At Rockefeller Center, a family watches skaters dance on the ice. The daughter's eyes sparkle with longing, captivated by the skaters' graceful movements. "I want to try that," she exclaims, her voice filled with youthful enthusiasm. Her father smiles gently, responding with warmth. "Maybe one day we can make that happen." The diner glows warmly, shadows stretching across the checkered floor and worn vinyl seats. A son's playful energy fills the booth as he tells jokes, his voice ringing with youthful exuberance. A horse-drawn carriage clip-clops softly along a winding path, cutting through the tranquil heart of Central Park. City lights blaze in the distance, a dazzling romantic backdrop. Mother nestles close to father, a serene smile gracing her lips as they share the quiet intimacy. The gentle rhythm of hooves and the distant hum of the city weave a spell of shared affection. Wrapped in the night's embrace, they savor the moment, suspended in time and affection. Sunlight floods the Natural History Museum, illuminating colossal dinosaur skeletons that tower over awestruck visitors. Son stands mesmerized before a massive Tyrannosaurus Rex skeleton, its ancient bones casting long shadows. Daughter's eyes sparkle with delight as she gazes at a dazzling display of glittering gemstones. The museum buzzes with quiet excitement as families and scholars alike wander among relics of bygone eras. In the vibrant heart of Little Italy, a traditional Italian restaurant comes alive with the cheerful bustle of midday. A red and white checkered tablecloth sets the stage for a family gathering. A steaming pizza sits at the center, its aroma filling the air with promises of a shared feast. Bowls of pasta surround the pizza, a colorful array of flavors ready to be savored. Laughter and animated conversations fill the air, a symphony of family bonds and shared joy. Sunlight floods Grand Central, illuminating the bustling crowds moving below, a river of humanity flowing through the grand hall. The family stands in awe, their faces tilted upwards, lost in the immensity of the architectural marvel that surrounds them. Their eyes trace the celestial ceiling, where stars shimmer and constellations dance in the radiant light. The sweet, milky tea swirls, creating a moment of shared joy amid Chinatown's lively chaos. Dim lights paint the jazz club in hues of gold, the air thick with smoke and anticipation. The saxophone song weaves through the room, a soulful embrace for every listener. Father closes his eyes, surrendering to the melody's intoxicating power. Amidst the vibrant chaos of Coney Island, laughter and screams fill the air as the family navigates through the energetic crowds. Triumphant, the father wins a stuffed bear at the ring toss, presenting it to his beaming daughter. Sticky-faced and content, they devour hot dogs and spun sugar, savoring the simple joys of a sun-drenched day. Hues of orange, pink, and purple paint the sky, mirrored in the tranquil pond nearby. The son leans wearily against father, a contented smile playing on his lips as peace settles around them. Mother sighs contentedly, her voice soft against the evening breeze. What a perfect trip! The family is united in a shared moment of serene happiness as day transitions into night.